Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the Glade Electric Scented or Refill Pack. It's an electric room rare fragrance with fragrance all included. In this case, it's sensual sandalwood and jasmine. Oh, that's really good and so nice. We have a refill bottle for the Glade fragrance plug, offers a completely new fragrance experience and combines elegant design with unique fragrance technology. The air refresher here for home and the bathroom are ready to make a nice smell in your rooms. With its 5 adjustable fragrance levels, we can adjust the intensity of the fragrance to suit our needs. Experience perfect room fragrance with the Glade Electric Scented or fragrance plug here. We choose from different and harmony coordinated Glade fragrance compositions, the right fragrance for our personal oasis of well-being. Means refills are interchangeable at any time, so you can change the fragrance or the oil or everything as you like. In this case here, it comes with an European plug, but it's also available in American style and British style, and so market what your country needs. This is a Glade Electric Scented oil refill, provides up to 100 days of fresh fragrance enriched with essential oils at the lowest settings with daily use of 12 hours. And it makes a good job because it is a really good system. Master the mood with Glade PLUGINS Scented Oil. The crafted fragrance infused with essential oils and ceramic heating technology. This product is the most adjustable warmer ever. Expertly designed to create a continuous ambience with longer lasting fragrance, we can use it to perfect the energy of every room. We simply plug it in, we choose the settings and enjoy. Really nice. It's available in so many fragrances like cinnamon, apple cinnamon, aqua waves, or autumn spiced apple, or bamboo and vitality bliss, or the bubbly berry splash, or the cashmere woods. Oh, so many. Or clean line and plugins, or coasted sunshine citrus, or goosey vanilla cappuccino, cranberry champagne, the exotic tropical blossoms, or fall night longs, the festival fireside glow, or the golden pumpkin and spice plugins, or Hawaiian breeze, joyful citrus, lavender and vanilla, and so many. Rose and bloom, share vanilla and brass, sky and sea salt, and there are so many fragrances on the market. Twinkling pine, vanilla caramel twist, and you can see it's really easy to get that. The Glade PLUGINS Scented Oils delivers 2 times more adjustable fragrance to scent any room, no matter the size. The more advanced fragrance control provides up to 50 days of continuous fragrance of our choice of carefully crafted Glade fragrance infused with essential oil. We use only the Glade PLUGINS Scented Oil brand refills in the PLUGINS Scented Oil warmer units. The unit will not operate properly if positioned sideways or upside down. We use only properly functionality on if you are out of the States 120 volt electrical outlet, or in the European it's around about 230 volt outlets. Okay, we do not place fragrance oil bottle or cap on painted, finished, or plastic surfaces intended of the adult use of it only. We do not insert extension cords, multiple plugs, or 3-prong adapters into extra outlet warmer. We do not use it with extension cord. We do not obstruct airflow. We keep away from furnitures and fabrics, beddings, and other materials that might prevent a fire hazard. In case the Glade plug-in scented door warmer should always be inserted fully and properly into the outlet. We do not use it in small, confined pad areas without adjusted ventilations. And if the warmer is removed from the outlet, separate the bottle from the unit and store it in an upright position, please. This is the Glade Breeze electric scent and oil refill pack here. It's an electric room fragrance with fragrance oil and essential sandalwood and jasmine flavor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So